It's your boy Nap. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to become a pro in Monster Legends. I know it's been a long time before I recorded. I just took a little break from this game, and now I'm back. I'm not doing too bad right now, and yeah, I'm still like alright the game. Like I got 112k monster power, and I got the OP load pump seed, and yeah. So we're doing and I got some level 10 runes, not on him. I think I've got him on Cawthorn. Don't quote me on that though. Let me check. Yeah, I got level X runes and some mutant runes and stuff. Yeah, I can do it right. So I'm just like having a good day at the game, to be honest. Yeah, and I realized like most of the people in the message community ain't that good at the game. I'm like, honest, like, or they just don't know the stuff. So I'm gonna be in this video. I'm gonna be showing you guys all the top tips and the tips. If you include this, you can become a pro at the game. So first thing what you want to do is you want to participate in the mazes every time. And like right now I'm not too bothered about this maze, to be honest. Like I just came back from break, so like I'm probably gonna be like participating from the next maze and doing it from then on. And I'll leave a link in the description below. Armor Gaming and them lot. I think it's from Armor Gaming, I'm pretty sure. He explains it better than I do most likely, but I just like summarize it. So basically every 4 hours what you want to do is you want to do a daily collection and not touch the game for that amount of period. And you don't want to like collect gold, you don't want to collect food or anything like that. You just want to like leave the game for 4 hours, and then when you come back you want to collect everything, and you realize you probably won't get any maze coins. So then what you want to do is you want to like collect it right here, and you want to click on gold food, and then you want to click on blue blizzard's tail, and you wait until that happens, and then so let's just click that. There you go. And then for the gold, you want to just go on any habitat and just do this. You'll get your 30 maze coins. And for the food bit, you just want to wait it out and until you get to 30 seconds. And then when you get to 30 seconds, what you want to do is collect it, and you should get around 50 maze coins. You might get 49, you might be like a minute before or after, and you might get 49 or 48, whatever, but that's cool. And like right here, I just collected mine. You saw that pop up, right? So I don't really need to, and then you can just put it back to wherever you want. And yeah, so that's your 30 and 50, that's 80 maze coins already. Then what you want to do is do a PvP battle real quick, and I just do revenge battles, to be honest. They're very easy most of the time. And if you're on high league, they do get kind of hard, competitive and that stuff, but this one's not too hard, to be honest. Like all I do is just turn times to the punch to do this attack, and you take those effects, and regarding you don't miss the way to dead, but I'm gonna make it pretty anyway. Don't matter if you misses. Yeah, so just get the middle one now, put some in here. I see some going there, did that to do it. So this team that I'm using right now is just for DLT, to be honest. Like I have no damage in this team. So I will come to like every skill he has applies to it, so that's that. And Lindworm applies curse. So it's a great combo, to be honest. So there you go, you saw I got some maze coins. There should be 15 maze coins. And after you've done that, what you want to do is you want to actually cook up a electric legendary. So let's say I use Sam or any electric legendary or higher, mythic, any electric mythic. So you're just gonna click on the mythic, and you want to go all the way down, and you want to make sure you have Thunder Eagle. Thunder Eagle is for 40,000 in the iron shop. I'm pretty sure. No, the iron shop. Don't know what that is. On the monsters, so right here. There you go. Oh no, 5,000. Thunder Eagles 5,000, and it takes 4 hours to hatch. So this can be a little timer for you. So what you want to do is you would come back after 4 hours, alright, and you put this in the hatchery. Nothing would happen. You won't get your maze coins. And then you need to make sure you have 2 spots open. And then when you have 2 spots open, you want to sell the Thunder Eagle, place whatever. Then you wanna breathe a fire fire legendary and a fire common, which is fire sword, and you'll get a fire sword which takes like 15 seconds, I believe, maybe 30, not sure. And you put that in the hatch, and then you sell it, you get 50 maze coins. And when you repeat this same breeding, like right now, Voltec and where is it? It's not popping up. Alright, Voltec and Thunder Eagle, and it's not even loading. That's just worst time. So when you repeat it, you should get 50 maze coins. Maybe so I got from the top when I repeat it, when I started breathing. So yeah, you can get that. That's just like how you can get maze coins. You get like 225 per 4 hours. Don't quote me on that, but that's what I think. And then you have to wait until a discount comes, like 30 second discount, not 30. Yeah, 30% discount. I think it's like 1 day 17. There's time to left there. Then you just do it, and yeah, and then you just spend all of your coins and whatever. Or you can go for a limited path. I think there's a limited path, I'm not sure. And then make sure you do the maze coin dungeon right now. There is one open, like right here. I'm not gonna do it, to be honest, but it is what it is. So that's how you do that. And another tip I have for you guys is get 325 gems by every time race starts. So when the race ends, you can buy a level extra from the shop. I think there's one right now. Let's check. Is it? Yeah, there is right here. Ancient chest, level 10 rune for 325 gems. You can just get that, and it's a good deal. It's like the cheapest you can get a level X rune for. So I definitely recommend that. And another thing you can do is to increase your collection is go into the team shop and then go into war coins and just buy these chests. To be honest, they're really good. Like that's like, I only buy these or the relic chests. They're really good, or the diamonds, but I mostly buy the relic ones. And if you don't have any war medals, you can buy the war coins ones. So yeah, that's good. And also another way to just get random random chests is from, okay, let me just open this. We'll get to relics in a minute. Another way to get better ruins is by, this cosmic era events that they do right now. Like, look right here, corrupted era dawn chest. Like, there was a birthday one, there was a Christmas one, I'll show you. And these chests give you this right here, and they can give you up to level 5, up to level 3 to level 10. And once I pulled a mad one, and I pulled a level 9, I think. Yeah, right here, level 9 speed rune, and that was amazing. And then I forged it with, like, it was a mad gamble, right? I put this. I got speed one, right? I put this. I got team stamina level 9 rune. I put that, and I put this, and then I just did it, and I got a level 9 speed rune. So that was kind of cool. And yeah, I was wishing for a level 10, but it is what it is, though, isn't it? can't get the ones. Yeah, so that's that. And the other thing is, to become good at the game, you need to be ranking high in tournaments every time. Tournament rewards are super good, and they are bottom heavy. Top heavy, they're not really. Like, look, you see this legendary leader, be top 1 to get a super mutant rune, a diamond relic, and 1.5k orbs. It's really hard to become top 1. Like, right now, there's a lot of competition, as you can see right now here. A lot of people are just going ham at it, and like, all of these people are going ham at it. Like, look at Sebastian right now, and TLC and Frog and them, like all the ones that are below top 1. They're just gonna get legendary 1, like the 1k people. So it's bottom heavy, like really bottom heavy. Like right now, you can get to 6k trophies and you still get something good like level 8 ruin and gold ruins, 3 gold ruins. You can even pull out diamonds you don't know, and a level 9 ruin. Like this is where I normally be at, level legendary 2. I'm not sure how the situation is nowadays, but legendary 2 is a sweet spot for like most players, as you don't need to be in the top, you don't need to be in the leaderboards, you just need to have that amount of trophies. So that's like a really good spot, and 600 orbs is really good. Like me, a person like me, I don't have all the war masters yet. Like yeah, I think I got necromancer. Yeah, I do have necromancer, I do have Gabriel, I do have Zara, I do have Ragnarok to a certain level. Yeah, alright, I'm just need to do this. So yeah, I've just been using the mythics, and they're just OP. Like they'll beat through this any day, like one shot, like Sabriel right now. Sabriel, where is he? Where is she? Me right here. I'm just gonna spend all of my, where's it go? What area is this? Stardust? Is it Stardust? Might be. I think I don't know. No, it's just Amber. Okay, so I'm just gonna use all my Amber, rank them up. What is this? So I'm just gonna rank them up, put them to 130, and then I'm just gonna use that into the dungeon, and done. I win. Like I just one shot everyone. I'm gonna be the first one to go because I got one level 7 speed rune as well. So I'm gonna be the first one to go, and it just wins. So there's another way to just get War Masters ranked up and everything. And most of you lot actually like the Lasso, and I got the Lasso right here, but I just need to rank it up. To be honest, I'm gonna need to start. Another way to become good at the game is by just participating in the breeding events. Like right now there is a, where is it? There is a wingsuit quest right now. And this, yeah, you just, it's like old monsters as well. World Tech and Pixel, and one of the old monsters, you get these great monsters like Aurora, Abyss, Aurora, Wildbird, the Wildbird is a first aid corruption. Aurora is a mythic, so if you get loads of them, you chicken. Like right here, I got Aurora, I got Wildbird, and Scorchbird. This is for the race. I didn't really possibly do it, I'm just helping out just for generosity, to be honest. Yeah, so I got Aurora. I never had Aurora, I'm pretty sure. And let's check real quick. There you go. There you go. Yeah, I never had Aurora, so that's good. Like, I can add that to the collection more. And finally, I'm just like having a competitive team as a whole. Like if you have a competitive team, that's gonna help you out a lot. And with a competitive team, it can like get you more rewards, like get into races and getting like rank 3 monsters. Like look at my team right now. Even though I didn't participate in the last race, but look at all of these races. Yeah, and we're just getting good like high quality monsters for rank 3, rank 4, and that's just like, that's good. It keeps like the atmosphere up, and it keeps you like engaged in the game, and you can be like high. Look at this, all of my monsters rank, all my high rank monsters are from the team race. Simon's team race, highest was not, but it is what it is. Vampire team race, Tabora team race, Misery's team race, Moonhaze I just liked, so I just ranked it. Cawthor team race, Ignis team race, SWAT team race. No, the SWAT was a quest monster. No team race, Iguan team race, Crichton team race, Talika, Baragar, the whole team race. And yeah, so that's like, team races are a vital part if you want to be good at the game. So that's it for me, guys. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. I'm posting more content. Our next video or videos in the future is going to be about how to get gems. So the best way to get gems, not for free, and for free, to be honest, is like a lot of gems for them. All the way is going to be for free, except for maybe 1 or 2. Yeah, so that's that. And guys, make sure you follow me on socials, link in the description, and have a great one.